Welcome back, everybody. Today I want to show you guys how I did this nice bright summery mani using one of Revel Nails' new colors, Babe, from their spring summer collection, Beach Please. So this is the color. It's really cute. It's a nice bright red, so it's not really deep tone, and I thought it would go great for strawberries, cherries, and all that. So I'm going to do a mani using the dip powder, and then I'm going to use the polish for actually stamping. So I have this stamping plate from Clear Jelly Stamper. I just got it in the mail, and it's very fruit themed, so you can see the different themes, and it's a layering plate. So I want to show you guys how I use a layering plate on my nails. It's my first time using a layering plate. And then I'm also using my favorite dip powder, Calaca, on 2 of my fingers, while Babe is going to be on the other 3, because I want to use Calaca as the background so that I can stamp right over it. So I'm going to put UNT Peel Base over all of my nails, because you know that's how I like to pop off my nails, super easy, and then I'll be right back. Alright, my peel base is completely dry, and I'm going to dip right over these bad boys. So let's get into the dipping process. I'm going to try not to bore you guys too much, so I'm not going to show you guys all 3 dips. I'm just going to dip one time, and then you can skip the other parts. The reason I chose Babe for this mani today and I wanted to do strawberries on it is because there's this challenge over on Instagram. If you're not familiar with hashtags, they're just type in the hashtag Glam Nails Challenge and then whatever month we're in, which is June. So Glam Nails Challenge June. And every single month this account does different nail art challenges. And this month it was all fruit themed. Specifically, this week was strawberries. So June 14th, the theme was strawberries. I think it's 14th, 10th or 14th, something like that. I'll pop in the schedule here. So I wanted to do a strawberry themed mani to go along with that challenge, post my mani. I've seen a lot of watermelons, lemons. I think there's pineapples coming up. So the yellow that goes in the this Beach Please collection, definitely going to be a pineapple color for me. I don't know about you guys. So I don't know, if you are into nail art, definitely hop over on Instagram if you don't already. Follow some of these challenge accounts. And if you're just like lacking creativity or you just do not know what to do, these nail art challenges are awesome to just be like inspiring, and honestly see a lot of other nail accounts that inspire you too, because I go through the hashtag every single month and I find other nail accounts I've never seen before, and I follow them because they have beautiful nail art. Also, I know my nails are kind of short. I'm wearing tips and I have builder gel on over. That's what the clear stuff is. It's not clear dip powder. And I plan on doing a video on that soon. I just know that if you're in the gel department, you like gels. Builder gel is way better than clear dip powder. That's all I'm saying. I don't know how to explain it. It works great for me, and I can't wait to do a video on my process with my peel base over clear, but it's clear builder gel, not dip powder. Anyways, I'm dipping in my Calaca dip powder. I'm going to dip in this color 2 times, and then we're going to get over onto the stamping. I've activated, I filed, I buffed, I shaped, and this is what I'm working with. So the very next step is to stamp. I'm super excited because I'm about to try Revel Nails polishes. So I pulled out Calaca and Babe, and I'm going to try to stamp Babe and see if it's opaque enough or great enough to use as a stamping polish. As I said before, this is a layering plate, so I have to do this in multiple layers. So I have the background, the green top, and then the outline. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to take a Babe, lay down a layer on the background, like the base color of the strawberry, and apply that and stamp it over my nails. So the color looks kind of jellyish, kind of sheer, but it definitely picks up better than a lot of my traditional nail polishes. So what I think I'm going to do, because it looks pretty sheer, is I'm going to stamp this strawberry twice. Even just for one layer, it looks like it picked up really, really well, and I'm very impressed. But I want to get the stamp to be as close as possible to the dip powder, so that's why I'm going to stamp it twice. So if you're experiencing this issue where it feels too sheer, don't feel like you have to scrap it and start all over. Just stamp it twice to build up the opacity. Now that's what I'm talking about. It looks just like the dip powder, well, if you ask me. So now that that is all stamped, I'm going to work on the next layer, which is the little green top. I'm using a polish that I got from Maniology because surprisingly I don't have a green polish from Revel. And anyways, this green top looked perfect. Like the shade was perfect, you know? Oh, also, if you're not familiar with stamping, I totally have a Stamping 101 video tutorial kind of thing where I teach you tips and tricks, but I've learned a lot more things along the way since I last recorded that video. So sometime this summer I'm definitely going to record an updated version to that. A lot of my videos, I'm realizing as I go through the years, I'm learning more and more, and I like to share that knowledge with everybody. So now that the top is stamped, I'm going to clean the plate off, and Calaca is coming into play. I've had this polish for almost 2 years now, and if Babe stamped well, Calaca's got to stamp well, right? So I decided to go with Calaca for the outline just because the background on my nail is Calaca, so I felt like it was fitting to tie in all of the nails together. I am super pleased with the finished result of that strawberry, and I love this layering plate from Claire Jelly Stamper. I actually bought more layering plates recently from them. They got a lot of cool stuff, so you should check them out if you're on the market for something other than Moyu London or Maniology. So I'm going to dump polish on my plate because I use it as like a palette, and I'm going to do like literally a dotacure. It sounds really strange saying dotacure, but I'm going to put 4 straight dots in a straight line down the middle of my nail, and then I'm going to offset dots on the left and right side of the nail so that it's just dots everywhere, but it looks very symmetrical, like appealing to the eye. Pleasing to the eye. What is that phrase? Easy on the eyes? I don't know. Anyways, I really like adding dots to my stamping manicures when I don't know what I want to do to the other nail. I feel like dots are a great way to add character without doing a lot of hard work. Alright, that is practically done. What I'm going to do now is slap on a gel top coat when this dries. I'm cheating. This time I'm not using dip powder liquids for the top coating. Going straight into the gel. And I'm going to show you guys the finished product. But my goodness, I'm really digging this like cherry red. Is that the right word for this? I don't know what right word it is. I'm really loving it. I hope you guys love it too. And if you haven't seen it already and you want to see the rest of the Beach Please collection, I recorded a unboxing of that with all the swatches. And here's my manicure in daylight. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Feel free to give it a thumbs up if you liked it. It really helps me out. Thank you. Bye!